Hey guys, welcome back to Scott's Reviews. Sorry I got no shirt on, but we're doing a Zemi tour, the Zemi House over in Anguilla, just to show you what a walk-in tour, front gate back there, all the way to the ocean, just to give you a look. I won't talk too much as we go, but just name out a couple things as we walk through.
I'm gonna have to go ahead and sort of.
All right, first up is the registration desk or registration house. So you go into when you first check in. You pretty much go there one time, and that's about it. But there are also guest services there. There is a parking area right here. If you do rent a car, we did rent a car. Nothing fancy at all, but you do have to drive on the left-hand side, and all the paperwork needs to be done before you enter the country, so you can get all your documentation so you get a license.
My name is Kanisha. First of all, welcome to our property.
Thank you.
Just here off the right is our Zemi Beach House spa. Our spa is open every day from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. If you'd like to make a booking, that can be done directly here. Our reception for you. Off to the left is our tennis court. If you'd like to join a game, we can provide all the equipment that you may need. Okay.
So on my left will be the tennis courts, and then on the right is going to be the spa house, which is the Zemi Thai house. We did play tennis. I was told if you play in the evening, it does cost money, but if you play different times throughout the day, it's free. So definitely ask beforehand. They will bring out the rackets for you, water, sunscreen. It is turf, it is not real grass. And the ball does skip a little bit weird on the course, so. There's two ways to get into the gym. There's this floor up here, which is the main entrance, but sometimes that key doesn't work. If that doesn't work, go downstairs. I'll show you through the bottom level, and there's no key needed. And what's really cool about the adult pool is this first top section is for your main part. It drops below another section. I'll show you that for the lounging with the chairs. And below that is the lap pool. You always normally have water out and towels. So this is the lounge area, as you can see, and then it goes to the lap pool. Now, you shouldn't jump from there to there, but I did it 20 times, so, or climb over that wall. Just don't do what I do. That lap pool is 6 feet deep, so you really know how to swim. It's 6 feet deep throughout. This is that door that takes you up to the gym. So there's restrooms down here, and then up the stairs goes the gym. Okay, we're gonna walk down almost like Main Street. First stop is going to be the kids club. These hours, different activities for the kids. This year our kids are old enough not to go, so I don't have too many facts on that. Our room is up top, second level. If you get the suite room, you can see up there, there is a pool on top for that room. That blue section kind of pointed out for you. Yeah, I wish. No, I wish. This next stop is the gift shop. I did buy an actual shirt from there. A little sun shirt. It's only like 30 bucks. Now, I only say only 30 bucks, but everything here is very expensive. Food-wise, that kind of thing. I'll talk about that in a minute. But it has fancy rum, so you can sit down and do a rum tasting. I think you need to get reservations for that. Sorry, you can't see inside. A bunch of chairs and a bar, very fancy. So in the evening, this kind of pops up and gets more lively. They have a band here to my left and more seating out here for dinner and stuff and cocktails. Attendants will set up your cabana, bed, chairs, whatever, but it's all sort of included. This is where you get your water, towels, and unlimited sunbum sunscreen. That is a nice perk to have because you run out quite fast around here. This is where you have breakfast every morning. Very good breakfast. Made to order omelets, eggs. Kind of change it up with smoothies, etc., etc. I'll show you that images now. It does have like an infinity edge. I'll show you some pictures of that inside the pool. But there is a lip to it, so it doesn't flow right over the top, so it's not a complete infinity. So it goes out to the sand. Alright, so then you have fins, masts, snorkel, kayaks, and stand-up paddle boards. and goggles if you want that. This is the reason why you come here. I've gone out and snorkeled right where the waves are breaking out there. A lot of good fish, a lot of bluefish. Nothing too crazy. I didn't see anything like big stuff out there, but good for snorkeling and seems pretty safe. I didn't see any gray suit friends. Equipment, I would suggest bringing your own mask or goggles or something like that, because it gets picked up real quick. Just want to pass off a couple of things that you may or may not want to know, but here they are. So when it comes to cost, entrees are around always in the 20s. It's like no matter where you go, whether you eat here or you walk down the beach. If you walk to the right of the beach and walk down a little bit, there's a couple of places to eat, to get good drinks and good food, but it's still not going to be, it's cheaper than here, but it's not like it's going to be like a big better deal. You're still in the 20s for pretty much most entrees, and maybe in the $15, $16 for sandwiches, stuff like that, down the beach. Drink wise, at the pool here, I would say limit your mixed drinks, because those are some of the expensive ones. The beer is not bad at all, it's only like $6. But unfortunately, everything, if you don't know, has a hefty tax and service charge. So there's a government tax they put on it, almost I think it's like 13% on everything. And then a service charge, which is normally like a tip of between 10 and 15%. So look at your bill and see how much you want to add on if you want to do a 20% tip. So of course, 10, 15, that kind of thing, whatever. But just be wary of that. So everything adds up pretty quick. Someone told me once, a family of 4, on average, every meal is going to be like $150 anywhere on the island. So there you go. For the hotel stay, most people are going to be using their Hilton points, either maxing out all of their points from their stays throughout Hilton, getting the credit card, getting the bonus points, all that kind of thing. Definitely take advantage of that versus just, unless you got the money, then you don't care. But you can maximize your Hilton points. Today we're doing a quick tour of the Zemi Beach House, room 409. It's only $6. That's not bad for prices. Now the rest of everything else gets expensive, but the beer, not that bad. We have nuts and stuff on the side. We have coffees. More coffees in here and tea. Alright, there's 2 tall closets. Let's see what's inside. Flip-flops, robe, bag, complimentary bag, I'll show you that here in a second. My own stuff, extra pillow and some drawers to put stuff in. But this is the bag that my wife was excited about. Number 2, we have a safe, ironing board, iron, drawers. No $1 million, no treasure. Like a wood feel on the outside, but a marble on the inside, smooth. Very, very nice. You get body wash, moisturizer, and shampoo. Some soaps. Yep, I own a Jeep, so that ducky will be coming home with me. Nice tall shower, soaps inside. Restroom, you can call someone while you're on the poopster. Now let's go for the granddaddy of all, of why you pay all the money to come out here. In the first place, it is for the ocean view. So we had actually tacos down there when we first got here. Walked down the beach, just past those blue umbrellas down there. A lot cheaper to go down there to get lunch or booze. That is your room tour for 409 at the Zemi house. Hope you enjoyed it. More from around the resort coming next. All right, next up, I'm going to leave you some random shots I took around the hotel in the evening with my other cameras. All right, you have a great one, and like, subscribe down below.
Hit me like a ton of bricks.